Hello everyone, here's a follow-up video to the half-life calculations video. Please watch that one first to get an understanding of what we're doing and why, and then come back to this one. If you're still here, you're probably here because calculating all of this is a little bit annoying. And so, I actually have created a program that can do this for you. And all you need to know is what you know. In this case, let's look at problem 1. We know F, we know A, we know T. So I'm going to find the one that knows A, F, and T. Here we go. And just plug in what we know. T is 10, F is 2, A is 32, H is 2.5. Program's done. If we know A, T, and H, and we want F, then we just use the program that says we know A, T, and H. Well, what are they? 45, 2, and 4. And there you go, 31.8. There's F. So what does this equation look like, and how do you write it? Well, in order to answer the question, how do you write it, I would go back to my video on the TI basics, look up that, but everything we're going to be using comes from the program button. Let's take a look. So this half-life equation, when we're writing it, we're going to first create a menu that you saw with knowns. There are 4 different setups for this, just as there are 4 different equations, and they each have their own label. Once we plug these in, we're going to plug in exactly what you see up here. And all of these are going to go to the label M, and M is just what's going to be used at the end for the answer. So this is not very interesting. I just want you guys to show what it looks like here. My other videos, I got the message that I should post the actual text of the program in the description. I will be doing that. Check there. There's only one thing I want to call your attention to, which is this. logBASE. This is actually not found in the program button. In order to find this, you're going to have to press second catalog, which we can see that here. And when you open that up, you're going to get an alphabetical list of everything that your calculator can possibly do. And you're just going to scroll on down, which might take you a minute, until you get to L. And once you get to L, you're going to click logBASE. Here it is. Now, with this one, you can put in the base you'd like and then tell them what to put inside of it. In the program, however, you can also use it slightly differently. In the program, first, what you do is you input what's inside of the base. What are you actually doing? What's going to be inside the parentheses? In this case, it'll be F over A. Then there's a comma, and after the comma is what is the base of the log you're using. We're going to be using 0.5 here. So put comma 0.5. The rest is self-explanatory if you watch the other videos. I think this is going to save you a ton of time with half-life equations. It's also going to save you some thought if you're not super confident in your log rules. Have a great day. I'll see you next time.